have chairs anyway. Turns out antique chairs aren't as sturdy as I hoped they would be. Also, didn't expect to break it or fall off. So I know a lot of you subbed for the reason that I made the Bratz dolls original outfits, which is fun and I love doing it, but there's one issue as to why I have not been uploading any since. Money! I just don't have the money to buy the fabric at the moment. But that doesn't stop us here. I'm a fucking thrift queen. Bam! You don't need fabric to make an outfit. Well, wait. You don't need rolls of fabric to make an outfit. We can just get some jeans, get a red t-shirt, sew it all together. It's the same thing. Shout out to my local op shop as well. I got all of this for $6. Yeah, bargain queen. So we're going to be recreating Chloe's Express It outfit. Alright, let's get started and not jump into it. Fuck, I can't believe I broke that chair. So for the materials, I thrifted this old pair of jeans, a red t-shirt, and some fabric for that insert in the skirt. Lay your t-shirt down and grab an old tank top or a new tank top, I don't know why it has to be old. And cut around it using 1 inch. No, this isn't a fact, my tripod just sucks. Turn it inside out and we're gonna sew the side seams together. We're going to hem the sleeves and the bottom as well. Excuse how messy my table is. I need to sort my life out. And once all that's hemmed, that's the top. That's how easy it is. The pants, we're going to be cutting the seams. Oh, I cut the bottoms first to lower the length. Anyway, cut the seams. So watch carefully with these jeans because it's a bit tricky to explain. So I folded the pants in half, but this type of half, you'll see. We're gonna cut out that little crotch area. For that front insert bit, I just laid my fabric on top and cut it to size. And then I just pinned it. So now I'm just sewing the back together. And cut off all excess fabric as well. Especially with the jeans, it gets quite bulky. And then I'm sewing in the insert. This part was a bit more tricky than what I had expected, so just take your time, be patient. And yeah, just cut off all the excess fabric and you got yourself a Chloe skirt. not jump back into it because the dining set with only 3 chairs looks fucking stupid. That was the final look. This sewing DIY took half an hour. It took fuck all. Out of all the Bratz dolls, this is definitely the most like beginner friendly. I don't even think you need to know how to sew that well. Like you could do this with fabric glue, really. It's just old clothes. I didn't even need to do the neckline. Super easy. So that leaves us with one more Bratz doll to complete in the Express It series, Jade. I'm really excited to make her outfit, but like I said, I don't have any money and I highly doubt I will find the fabric similar to hers, which is very, very specific, in an off shop. So it might be a while until then. Let me know though what you want me to do next. I know someone wanted Forever Diamonds. That sounds like fun. I need a bedazzle gun though. I don't have a bedazzle gun. But that would be so much fun. So yeah, leave a comment down below. Let me know which Bratz series you want to see me recreate next. I'm excited to do Jade's last Express It series, but I can't get over how easy this was. Like I can't express it enough about how easy it was. So jump on this DIY, let me know if you tried it because this one is the most beginner friendly. If you like the video, like the video. If you dislike the video, just leave, or leave your best hate comment. If you dislike the video, leave your best hate comment. And subscribe, whether you liked it or not, because we gonna do more, we gonna do some more shit, I don't know. I don't know what's next. The trash bag one was really popular. Maybe I'll make like a wedding dress or some shit out of a trash bag. Trash bags. It's just such a waste of plastic. I don't want to do that. That's a waste of plastic. Take it back. No more trash bag challenges. We trying to save this earth, and especially as Chloe, because isn't she like an environmentalist? We all should be. We need a future. Alright, I'm starting to get political. Okay, fuck. Bye.